only have half.
Landing plan.
Alright. You guys, what are you guys waiting for?
Nothing, I'm going. What? No. Hey, I'm all the way off to the right. I'm closest to us. Come in. You guys can't even see her. I'm way out of your way. You got plenty of room.
I'm gonna go, because time's a wasting.
No. Oh, wow, it's bright. Please hurry up. All right, see ya, I'm going.
China cleared. Gear up, flat up.
No pass.
I'm behind you.
Coming down. Nice. Low pass, right to left.
I'm right behind you. Oh, that looked good. I did that. The slide turn.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, the gear door?
Yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay.
Is he landing?
Yeah, he's coming in. The lights look good. You can see them. Only thing missing is some lights on the tail.
Yeah. Does the green one have it?
No. Oh, yeah, it does. It does. Yeah. No, maybe not. No, the F-15 does, not the little one. Not the 90. I gotta get both of my other MiGs up. You missed your ritual. This thing's low speed is really good. Because you think it stopped flying and everything still works. I'm gonna do a fast pass right behind you. I'm gonna do that exact same thing. Oh, look at the flicker.
Yeah, baby.
Oh shit, it fell off. Oh no, it worked. I pushed the nose down and it worked. Holy crap. I thought that I was out of momentum and I pushed the nose down and it went down. Yeah. Soon. Now?
I'm landing.
19 seconds.
Yeah, I'm landing.
I'll come in after, I'm coming in after Frank.
10, 9,
I've got the 6,000 so I can go a little longer.
6,
Oh,
5,
man.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh, man! Slow it down!
Ah!
The only way to slow it down.
No!
Where you go?
I got about another, almost a minute.
Okay, I'm going then.
Go up.
This jet is amazing.
It's pretty fun.
It just, if only if the gear wouldn't just like fucking go whichever which way.
Go ahead and go out, Keon. I'll come down right after you land. Right after you take off. I'm going to do a gear pass to land.
Gear down. Landing flap.
All right, setting up to land.
1 minute over.
Yeah, it's hard with that one. I'm coming into land right now. Carrier. No way to avoid it.
Flaps up. Throttle cut. Normal nose.
Well, that's it. Okay.